How to install your roller blind. Decide whether you want to mount the brackets inside or outside the window recess. If you're fitting the blind inside the recess, make sure the brackets are far enough away from the window handles and that there are no obstructions. If you're fitting your blind outside the recess, it's best to allow a 7.5 cm overlap at the top and bottom. Fixing the brackets. Choose which side you want the control mechanism. Position the control bracket and mark the screw hole with a pencil. When mounting to the ceiling, measure the centre point and ensure the brackets are an equal distance to the left and right. Drill the first hole. Use a masonry drill bit if mounting on a solid wall. Hold the bracket in place and fix using the fittings supplied. Put the blind in place. After you've fixed the bracket, put the blind in place by inserting the end pin into the bracket. Insert the spring pin into the opposite end and push the bracket on. Use a spirit level to make sure it's positioned correctly, and mark the holes. Drill and fix the bracket to the wall. Then push and drop the blind into place. Our blinds come with a child safety device which must be fitted. Be sure to follow the instructions to fit it correctly. If your blind comes with a wall-mounted safety device, select where you'd like to mount it and hold it in place. Mark the holes on the wall with a pencil. Then remove it. Drill holes in the wall insert the wall plugs and screw the safety device in place.